You just spent 3 hours in a lecture. You understood everything. You took perfect notes. You close your book feeling confident. Fast forward 1 week. You look at those same notes and they look like a foreign language. 90% of it just gone. But is your memory just bad? You have just become another victim of a relentless, invisible enemy. Its name is the forgetting curve. Think of every new piece of information you learn like this. A powerful but volatile curse mark placed on your brain. It gives you a temporary boost, but its natural state is to corrupt, fade, and consume your knowledge until nothing is left. This isn't a personal failing, it's a biological default. But today, you will learn the sealing jutsu to tame it. A method so fast and effective, it feels like a cheat code. The enemy, the curse mark of forgetting. This is your enemy, the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve. It's a scientific map of your brain's laziness. Your brain receives millions of pieces of information every day. To save energy, it is designed to discard anything it deems non-essential. And how does it know what's essential? By how often you are forced to retrieve that information. The struggle to recall is the signal. Fighting this curve with one massive, last-minute cram session is like trying to fight the curse mark with brute force. You'll get a temporary power-up, and then you'll be completely drained. A master doesn't use brute force. They use a seal. The jutsu, the spaced repetition sealing technique. This is the jutsu, a simple, powerful, and scientifically proven system called spaced repetition. It's a series of timed reviews that signal to your brain, hey, this is important. Keep it. Each review is a new layer on your seal. Step 1. The first seal, the 24-hour lock. This is the most important seal. Within 24 hours of learning something new, you must perform a quick review. Spend just 10 to 15 minutes using active recall. Try to recall the key concepts from memory before looking at your notes. This single act stops the initial, catastrophic drop of the forgetting curve. The second seal, the 3-day reinforcement. Your next review of that same material should be about 3 days later. This review will be even faster, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. The memory is stronger now. The seal is reinforcing itself. You know the drill. Review it again 1 week later. This might take only 2 minutes. It's a quick, effortless glance that solidifies the memory for the long term. After that, a quick review once a month is all you need to maintain the seal indefinitely. The illegal part, automate the jutsu. But Senpai, I hear you say, how can I possibly keep track of this for every single topic? You don't. You automate it. There are free apps like Anki or Quizlet. These are not just flashcard apps. They are spaced repetition systems, SRS. You input your information once. The app's algorithm then automatically schedules the perfect time for you to review each card. It does all the hard work for you. Every day, you just open the app and it tells you which seals need reinforcing. Using one of these apps is like having Kakashi personally manage your training schedule. It is the fastest, most efficient way to implement the system. Key forgetting curve is not a weakness, it's a natural system. And now you have the jutsu to master it. Stop fighting your brain. Stop trying to win with brute force. Use this elegant, efficient sealing technique. By applying these small, strategic reviews, you are no longer a victim of a leaky memory. You are a shinobi of the mind, a master of the seal, in complete control of the knowledge you have worked so hard to acquire.